only on 6 pounds of boost right now, so it's making about 300, 315 horsepower. So nothing crazy yet. Eventually bump it up to about 15 PSI and get that 450, 500 if I want. But it's a little scary right now. Yeah, it feels like a little death trap. My name's Eddie, and this is my 1973 Mazda RX-3. When it was not painted, we used to race in Chicago a little bit, but it was, now it's too pretty to race and I don't want to get damaged, so. The swap is from a 93 RX-7. It has, you know, brakes from the FC RX-7. Paint is all redone. Interiors was done about 10 years ago or so. The rear end is from a Ford 9-inch. I got it out of a 1967 Thunderbird. 3-inch exhaust all the way back. Other than that, I had it since 2007 and it's been pretty good. Gas mileage is pretty poor, but that's about it.